You're sure to love the Opus Luxury, a revolutionary folding camper engineered for Pacific Northwest adventures. The Opus features an aluminum frame weighing in at less than 1,600 pounds, perfect for smooth hauling behind smaller vehicles or mid-sized trucks. Each seam boasts a high-strength weld, which, along with watertight fin seals and a heavy-duty canvas top, make the Opus impervious to leaks and even the most torrential downpours. Thanks to the reinforced lid and universal racking system, you can bring along additional gear like bikes, kayaks, and boats. The torsion axle suspension ensures a smooth ride, and heavy-duty jacks at each corner can be deployed for easy leveling. The campers include a non-slip step stool for easy entry, as well as easy-to-access water tank and electrical hookups. With the touch of a button, a built-in 12-volt electric pump inflates the triple-layer canvas tent in less than 2 minutes. Inside the Opus Luxury, you'll find 2 beds at either end upgraded with memory foam mattresses. The roof boasts 4 oversized skylights for stargazing, and both sleeping areas feature large windows. Enjoy a meal at the U-shaped leatherette diner, which also converts into an additional bed for more sleeping space. In the kitchen area, you'll find a 3-burner stove, microwave, and stainless steel sink, all set above convenient storage cabinets. The Opus also holds a portable cassette toilet and a 12-volt Dometic fridge. Entertain guests with your new cinema system, featuring an integrated AM/FM stereo and speakers pre-wired for the included projector and roll-up screen. When you're ready to head for home, simply open the quick release valves for a speedy 30-second pack down, giving you more time to enjoy family, friends, and the great outdoors. Check out these features and more when you tour the Opus Luxury at Curtis Trailers, where our business has been your vacation since 1948.